Hello everyone! I am so excited for you to try this tacos al pastor recipe. It is surprisingly simple to make but with explosive multi-dimensional flavor, all coming from your very own grill. To make our marination, we need to use a blender and put our pineapple, dried chili pepper, garlic, bay leaf, pineapple juice, salt and pepper to taste, then blitz it up. Pour marinade over sliced beef sirloin. Refrigerate and marinate for at least 1 hour and up to overnight for better taste. Next thing to do is our applesauce. Add the green apples into a blender along with lime juice mix, brown sugar, salt. Also add some water and blitz until puree. And then, add tortilla bread to grill until warmed. The pineapples and white onion until slightly charred and onion until softened. Next, we will grill our marinated beef until slightly charred and cook through for 4 minutes each side. Now, it's time to slice our cooked beef, chop our pineapples, and white onion. And finally, to assemble, place some beef on the tortillas followed by a few pieces of pineapple, a sprinkling of onions, and I also put some sliced cilantro and hot sauce on the top for that extra kick. Beef has never been more flavorful than in this tacos al pastor, just like in Mexico. That's it! This is Mira from Kenzy's Kitchen. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and bye!